So we've talked a lot about prepping your home for sale, and now we're under contract and your house is going through the inspection process. Hello, Inspection Day. Welcome to Table Talks. I'm Carla Knight with Coldwell Banker Realty, and Table Talks is where I answer your questions about the real estate market with tips and suggestions for your situation. If you have questions about real estate, reach out to me at Selling Dwelling CO on social media or carlaknighthomes.com, my website, or LinkedIn. I will respond to you directly and answer your questions and possibly expand on our conversation with a video. So let's get into it. I'm out here in outside this beautiful home behind me doing an inspection for my clients today. Although my clients are the buyer for this property, I thought we'd go into the inspection process a little bit and what it means in the transaction. The inspection process is where you hire a qualified inspector. The home gets looked at up and down from the roof to the attics and the basements to the crawl spaces. An inspector is going to take a look at every nook and cranny and any other area that your house supports. It will test every outlet, check the electrical boxes, check all the plumbing, run all the appliances, and he's there. One of the things that he does is identify problems that need to be fixed or are a safety hazard. You will know about the maintenance and what is needed to be maintained on the property. You will also find out useful things like the sprinkler system, how to turn it on, where it's located, how to turn off the main water chute. That's always good to know in case you have a leak and you need to turn off the water and fix the leak. Inspectors do not need to be licensed in Colorado, so you need to find one that has all of the equipment needed to do all the inspections that your agent recommends, along with a cooperative attitude that is not an alarming. The inspection is not a process to bring everything up to the 2024 building codes. This process is used to acquaint you with the house, to make sure that there's nothing that could be a problem or a safety issue later on. Once you receive the inspector's report, then you'll sit down with your agent and together you'll decide what you're going to ask the seller to fix. The inspection resolution is what that's called. The resolution is an agreement between the seller and the buyer, negotiated through their agents on what's going to be fixed on the property. Compensation can come in the form of a licensed professional to fix or update any of the problems. Let's say you had a leaky faucet and you want a licensed plumber to fix the leak. Another way is to get financial compensation or credit at the close from the seller, allowing you to cover the fixing of the things yourself once you move in. Some of the things that I like to include in my buyer's inspections are roof inspections, sewer inspections, as well as radon, any certifications for furnaces, AC units, water heaters. Once the inspection resolution is completed and everybody signed on the dotted line in agreement, all of the improvements or the fixes need to be completed before the closing. In our final walkthrough before we close, we'll take our inspection resolution with us and make sure that all of these issues have been corrected and fixed. Keep in mind that the inspection process is for safety issues, and if everyone agrees, we can move forward to appraisal. Today, I'd like to do a huge shout out to Chad with Reliable Solutions Inspection. If you're looking for a great inspector for your home, reach out to Chad or reach out to me and get Chad's number or his website, reliablesolutions.com, to schedule your inspection with him. So congratulations to my buyers on this beautiful home. And remember, you can bring all your real estate questions to me about the market, whether you're buying, selling, or you just want to understand what's going on. Give me a call and let's figure out your situation. Have a great day.